Are you trying to figure out how to use digital to grow your business? If so, then my channel, Digital Growth Genius, is for you. My name is David Katic and I've worked with many businesses on their digital plans, and I've spent millions of dollars on digital, so I've seen what works and what doesn't. This channel is dedicated to showing you what works in digital by focusing you on the 20% of digital that will get you 80% of the result. I cover topics like how to design a website that sells, email marketing secrets, how to drive traffic to your website from places like Google, and much, much more. Importantly, not only will you discover the critical things that you need to focus on with digital, but you'll also get actionable advice that you can implement fast. Don't live with the frustration of poor results and not knowing what to do. Watch this channel and clear the fog and start growing your business today. To get all this information, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button so you don't miss a thing. See you in the videos.